Welcome to the DIY curly cut edited by a licensed professional video. I'm Meg, a licensed cosmetologist and curly hair specialist here in South Tampa, Florida. When you're overdue for a haircut, travel the country, and are in charge of your own business, a hair appointment can be really challenging to make a priority. This was my girl Leah's case. But I am here to remind you that being busy and scheduling your curly haircut appointment can both be true. A few things I noticed off the bat was Leah's right side was fuller in density than her left side. This is pretty common in my clients. If you feel that one side of your head feels sicker than the other, trust me, you're not crazy. Leah and I cracked a few jokes about her makeshift haircut, and she here confesses she was the reason for some holes and missing pieces. But all in all, she was so excited to get this haircut, as she knows hair care is essential to self-care. After assessing her shape, we concluded that she wanted to continue to grow her length, but we needed to remove her split ends and balance her unproportioned density. I cut the hair dry and with the shape of the cranium. This makes for a customized haircut with each client I work with until I can retire and become an 85-year-old yoga teacher that tells everybody to shut up and they'll listen to me because I'm so wise and grumpy. I am the owner of Curly Hair Alchemist here in Tampa, Florida, where I'm assessing Leah's homemade haircut after 2.5 years at her last appointment with me. I wanted to renew the shape with a gradual lift, keeping her curls bouncy and fun that fit her personality and still long enough to put in her hairstyle that she wears for her performances. To change things up a bit, we're adding shorter pieces around the front, framing her face and accenting her eyes. Like my girl Leah here, she too is juggling several aspects of her career, lifestyle, and all the other things in between. When life is lifing, this can look like tight ponytails, constantly wearing hair up, giving self trims along the way, leading into damaged split ends, uneven lengths, and overgrown layers, making the shape harder to maintain. The goal was to address some product buildup that she did accumulate due to traveling and being in different kinds of environment. Leah's becoming a superstar with her one-woman show, Tiny Girl Big Show. You should check her out on Instagram. I really wanted to put in the extra time and attention to styling her hair with a lived-in result. That way, she still feels like Leah when she's off stage from being star. And voila! These are her results, y'all. Aren't they just gorgeous? Look at this 360-degree root direction that she's getting on this top here. This cute fringe. Her curls are hydrated. She looks amazing. Her color looks so healthy. I'm so excited. So I know Leah wants to stay on a budget with her hair care products, so I wanted to use something budget friendly, and I have listed those products in the description below in the order in which I use them. It's to help you see that you can find products that are budget friendly as well, and maybe one or two are a little pricier, but if they work, isn't it worth the investment? I hope you love this transformation as much as I do. I'm Meg Conkling, Curly Hair Alchemist here in South Tampa, Florida, and thanks for watching. Have a great, amazing day.